In the rolling wave of industrialization, the machinery manufacturing industry is like the backbone of the times. CNHAWE Intelligent, with innovation spirit and exquisite technology, has become a shining pearl in this industry. CNHAWE is a high-end professional enterprise specializing in the research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service of press brake. Each press brake embodies CNHAWE team's pursuit of quality and detail control. The company invests a lot of money in research and development every year, ensuring that the technology is always in the leading position in the industry. Advanced production equipment is the absolute guarantee of strong production capacity. Standardized management is the absolute guarantee of the high-quality pursuit. Large annealing tempering furnace. Large shot blasting machine. Large floor boring and milling machine. Pentahedral machining center. Specializing in the production of electrohydraulic synchronous CNC press brake, the company currently produces a product series of 35T high-speed press brake, pure electric press brake, from 65T to 2000T CNHAWE duty press brake, and robot bending unit and other products, and won the industry praise. The company has a perfect after-sales service system with high-quality products, good reputation, high-quality service. The machines are sold in more than 20 provinces, municipalities, autonomous regions, but also exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia and other countries, receiving unanimous praise from domestic and foreign users. The company has always adhered to the principle of quality first, customer first, high-quality service and trustworthy contracts. Based on the global market, we seek benefits, attach importance to customer needs and promote the sustained and stable development of the enterprise with excellent product quality. With the wind and waves in transformation, upgrading, and innovative development, we are sailing forward.